All right, Dr. Kimby of Hammond Doc, and we're looking at the results of little Austin's work on today, his handiwork, and little has been reconditioning Leslie motors today. He rebuilt the slow motor on this upper motor stack and cleaned, lubed, and oiled that upper fast motor, and he replaced the rubber O-ring in that motor as well, didn't you, Austin? And then he also replaced the rubber O-ring, cleaned, lubed, and oiled the bottom motor stack. And look at it now. Let me got it clean. Look at that. That's nice rotation. Man, this boy's getting it. He's getting it. All right, Austin, go ahead and cut that off and plug in the fast motors for us. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful job, little. Beautiful job, man. Look this way, little. Look this way. Good job. Man, that sounds good. That's the way it's supposed to sound. Take that bowl off of there for me. Okay, I was just wanting to. Man, that's it right there. That's a nice, quiet Leslie cabinet. Austin has done a fantastic job. Didn't we clean, lube, and oil the bottom rotor down there? I mean the bearing underneath there. We did that as well. So, man, this is ready to go. I'm looking forward to hearing this, Leslie. All we need to do now is install a Leslie amplifier in there, and we'll be ready to crank this Leslie up. You want to say anything, little?
Dr. Arthur D. Kim, the Hammond Doc.
You got it.
Peace.
Peace out. All right.